No.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sherry, and if you're new, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. If you're part of the oldie but goodie squad, what's up? This is a clean and decorate with me video. I am so excited, you guys. I am finally putting up the items that I hauled in my last video. This took longer than expected. This was supposed to be a one-day shoot, but it wound up being 3 to 4 days. Keep watching to see how everything turned out, but before I get to decorating, I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning up. My channel is all about bringing your style to life one DIY at a time. If you can visualize it, you can bring it to life. I love anything dealing with home interior designing and home improvement. Though it's been a while since my last DIY video, those videos will be coming very soon. Along the way, I am trying to keep a clean and serene home for my family and I. My content consists of organization, motivational cleaning, as well as DIYs and home decor. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and that bell right beside it so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. Guys, look at this lamp. Ooh, that looks so good. It has 4 different color temperatures. It looks so nice in the corner. I'm going to have to get another one to put right here. So I'm putting up the lamp and cleaning the couch. I'm going to move to the fireplace. I'm going to switch out this artwork on the wall. I'm going to replace it with the one in the living room. I'm going to replace that artwork with the one in the office. I want to put this in the living room over the fireplace. It has the gold and the navy blue. So this is held up by command strips, as you can see right here. No damage on my walls, no holes, no anything. Command strips are the way to go, guys. You guys, I love command strips. I don't know who came up with the idea, but thank you so much. Everything that's on my wall is being hung with command strips except for one item, and that is the DIY chalkboard that I did. It's so easy to apply these on and off of your walls. I like switching and playing with my decor, so this is easy for me to put on and take off, and I don't have to worry about painting or filling in holes. So the picture will stick to the wall. I'm cleaning it with rubbing alcohol. I spray painted the frame of this picture gold. It was more of a champagne color, but before doing that, I had to fill in the crack. It had a small crack on the corners. I used wood filter to fill that in. Now I'm going to put the pillow covers, the navy pillow covers, on the pillows. I got these at Goodwill last year. They were $5 each, I think, and they're 24 by 24. Love how everything is right now. There are some additional items that I want to get. I do want to get like a coffee table right here. I want to either put like 2 accent chairs right here and maybe some artwork or a mirror or something right here on the wall, but I don't want it clashing with the artwork on the fireplace. I'm thinking about putting like 2 navy chairs right there. I don't know. I don't want the room to have too much navy blue in it. I think right now this is the perfect amount of navy blue. This fur rug right here I've had for a long time. So the curtain is either going to be this true white or this cream right here that goes along with this blanket, this throw blanket, or ivory. I'm not sure yet, and I'm just going to keep looking around. I'm not going to rush it because I do like the natural light that comes in. I love this lamp. Love, 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 love this lamp. I am going to get another one, and it's going to go right here in this area. It could be symmetrical. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning and decorating my living room. I will be posting more videos like this on my channel, so make sure that you are subscribed so you do not miss out on my uploads. Like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching again, and I'll talk to you in the next one.